Namaste friends. Today we are going to learn the paraphrasing of book review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is one of the greatest authors of Indian literature in English. The novel Swami and Friends is his first novel representing British rule in India. In the very beginning of the review of this novel, he mentions himself as a spoiler that the book lovers or book readers may call him. So he avoids to describe the plot of the story. This is the first of a trilogy, means a series of 3 related novels of R.K. Narayan. Swami is the central character in the novel. He is 10-year-old kid. He is naughty like any other Indian kid of his age. Swami is very unsteady and talkative since his childhood. He is afraid of school. He is very poor in mathematics. He does not like school at all. Being talkative, he thinks it is the way to face things in life. Many times he talks to himself. He likes to play under the sun, climb trees. He loves nature. Being naughty or mischievous, he loves to break things and to trouble people around him. He would cause damage many times. It was the time when technology was not an issue at all in a kid's life. Swami, the central character in this novel, Swami and Friends, is very typical. The author R.K. Narayan explains Swami's thinking approach very pleasantly. It's the strength and skill of R.K. Narayan to create emotional bonding between the reader and Swami, the 10-year-old kid in this novel. This magical writing style of the author makes the novel great. This novel has been included in top 10 the most influential novels in the world by BBC. Though this novel is specially written for kids, it has many literary values. This book is written in a very simple English language. A very ordinary reader also can easily understand it. This novel is free from very difficult words and complex grammar. The Indian parents must not be worried about the impact of mischievousness of Swami on their kids because his mischievousness is harmless. He is truthful and innocent in his way of thinking and behavior. In fact, he is very kind, loving, and sensitive. Through Swami's character, R.K. Narayan has shown that mischievous kids are most sensitive and loving people. This book is a good read for every child and even teenager. Book review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. Margin line activities. Question 1. What are spoilers? Here, in context with R.K. Narayan's statement, spoiler means a person who spoils an interest or curiosity of a book lover or reader. Number 2. What is the most striking quality of 10-year-old Swami? Answer. The most striking quality of 10-year-old Swami is his perspective of the world, his innocence, though he is talkative and mischievous. Number 3. What does the review say about Narayan's style and language? Answer. This book review says that R.K. Narayan's style of writing is very simple and plain. The short sentences help students to understand easily. This book is free from complex grammar structures and technical jargons. His simplicity of writing is reflected through the book. And the last activity, number 4. What are the advantages of reading this book? Answer. The two advantages of reading this book, Swami and Friends, is number 1. It is the good read for children of all ages. And number 2, this book captures the essence of India under British governance and the mind and life of a typical teenage kid. Thank you.